Hi students, I think you all are fine. Today I came back with an English class. I'm going to teach you the second chapter, The Lost Ship. So, little boy had a ship. So, who had a ship? A little boy. The ship ran away. What did the ship do? The ship ran away. The ship went into the forest. Where did the ship went? The ship went to the forest. He saw some grass there. He wanted to eat the grass. So, he was hungry and he wanted to eat the grass. The little boy wanted to go home. The ship would not go home. The little boy began to cry. So the boy began to cry. The rabbit came by. At the meantime, there's a rabbit. You can see the picture. The rabbit came by and he's telling something to the boy. What he's saying? Why are you crying, little boy? He's asking, why are you crying? I'm crying because my ship has run away. The boy is answering that the ship has run away. Don't cry, little boy. I can make the ship go home. He is saying that I will make your ship go home with you. The rabbit ran after the ship. The ship would not go home. The rabbit began to cry. Now the rabbit is also started crying. Next page. The squirrel came by. At that time the squirrel came. Why are you crying, little boy? He is asking, why are you crying to this rabbit? Why are you crying? I'm crying because the little boy is crying. Because he is answering, the little boy is crying, so I'm crying. His ship has run away. Please don't cry. I can make the ship go home. The squirrel ran after the ship. The ship would not go home, but the ship is not willing to go home. Then the squirrel began to cry. A fox came by. At that time a fox came. See, here you can see the picture. There is a rabbit, this is a squirrel, and this is a fox. The fox is asking them, why you all are crying? They are answering, we are crying because the little boy's ship has run away. The fox is saying, please don't cry. I can make the ship go home. The fox ran after the ship. The ship would not go home. Then the fox began to cry. Next, move on to the next page. A bee flew by. At that time a bee came. Why you all are crying? The bee is asking them why they are crying. We are crying because the little boy's ship has run away. The bee said, please don't cry. I can make the ship go home. We cannot make the ship go home. Can a little bee can make the ship home? They all are saying that you are so small. How can you make this ship go home? The fox laughed, the rabbit laughed, the squirrel laughed. Little bee flew into the forest and the bee went to the rabbit. It went to the ship and said, the bee will sting me. I must run. So when the bee came to the ship, the ship said that the bee will sting me and so I have to run away. The ship ran home. Then the little boy laughed. He said, thank you, little bee. And the boy thanked the little bee. So I think you can understand this chapter. This is a very good story for you. You will learn. Next, I will give you some questions. The questions are Chapter 2, The Lost Ship, Questions and Answers. What did the little boy have? Little boy had a ship. So what did the little boy have? The little boy had a ship. Number 2, where did the ship go? The ship went into the forest. What did the ship want? The ship wanted to eat the grass. The ship was hungry and wanted to eat the grass. Name the animals who ran after the ship. The animals who are running after the ship, the rabbit, the squirrel, the fox and a bee ran after the forest. So these questions are homework for you. I think you have enjoyed the class. Thank you.